Dishwasher Model DF15A. Display and wash cycle setting. Purpose, program and features. Switch on the dishwasher and select the wash cycle program as per requirement. Choose program B1 for auto mode, suitable for all types of dishes at 40 to 65 degrees Celsius. It determines the soiling degree of the dishes and sets the temperature and amount of the washing water as well as the washing time automatically. Choose program B2 for Aquaflex, suitable washing program for daily mixed dishes, including plastic items. While delicate glass items are washed in the upper basket, pans and trays can be washed in the lower basket. Choose program B3 for Intensive program. Works at 70 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for heavily soiled dishes. Choose program B4 Eco, most economical washing program for the medium soiled daily dishes. Works at 50 degrees Celsius. Choose program B5 for Glass Care program. Recommended for gentle cleaning of delicate glassware. Works at 40 degrees Celsius. Choose program B6 for Quick and Shine program, used for normal soiled dishes to be washed in fastest time at 60 degrees Celsius. Choose program B7 for Mini program, suitable for normal soiled dishes that are scraped or pre-cleaned at 35 degrees Celsius. Choose program B8 for Pre-wash program, suitable for removing the food particles on dishes kept in dishwasher for 1 to 2 days. Choose program B9 to be chosen through HomeWiz app you can download through wireless connection.